All right, so we're going to take a look at the Otterbox Defender case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see how it looks. So as usual, it comes with this holster, which you can attach to your belt or your pants. So we can just go ahead and pop that off like so, set that to the side. And then we have the actual case, and this is a multiple layer case. So we want to remove the outer shell. We're just going to press on the corners. All right, so it takes a little bit of elbow grease, but once you get it going, it starts to come off pretty easy. So this is the outer shell, the soft shell there. And then we have the inner shell, which is a hard plastic. And you can see on the inside, it's got kind of like some memory foam there, which is going to give us some nice protection on the back side of our phone. So now we want to go ahead and separate this part, and you've got some different clips around the edges of the case that we'll use to separate it. So we'll just pop each one of those all the way around. And there we go. So now you got everything separated. From there, you can grab your phone, S22 Ultra, pop it in like so, and then we're basically just going to reverse the process. So we'll just go ahead and pop these back in place all the way around like so. And once that's nice and secure, we can grab the outer shell again and reinstall that as well. All right, so there we have it. The case is installed. And I had this exact same case on my previous phone, and I had it for 2 years, and it gave me an incredible level of protection for the entire time that I had it. So this is probably going to be my go-to case for this phone. As you can see, you do have a little cutout there for your cameras. Got some nice edges there to make sure they're protected. If you do set the phone down on a desk or something, it's not going to come in contact with your camera lenses. You also have the tab on the bottom for your charging port. So it's nice that you have that. So whenever you're putting your phone in your pocket, you're not getting a bunch of lint and debris going straight into your charging port. You also have the cutout for your speaker, as well as the S Pen there. That's still nice and accessible, so no issues there. On the sides, you've got your buttons, volume up and down, as well as your power button. And then the overall grip is nice as well. It's got a nice rubberized texture and finish. So I do like that. Makes it easier to handle, easier to hold. So yeah, the Otterbox Defender case, if you're looking for the maximum level of protection for your brand new S22 Ultra, I do recommend this case. Like I said, I do have direct experience with the Defender series on my previous phone, which was a Samsung S20. So I do recommend this case. It does add a little bit of size compared to some other cases, but if you want that maximum level of protection, that is a small price that you have to pay. And again, you do have this holster, so if you want to attach it to your pants or your belt or something like that, you've got that option.